Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can sync your Trello board with your Google Calendar. So let's get right into it. As you can see, I'm in my Trello board, and as you can see at the very top, I am in the free premium trial, and you do need to be a premium user to be able to connect these two apps. So make sure that you either have the free trial yourself or that you actually pay for a subscription on Trello. Now, what you're going to want to do once you're in Trello is first go here and enable calendar view, then go into that calendar view and then click here to sync with personal calendar. You will need to enable this URL. It'll originally be disabled, so just click these three dots here and click enable. I have already done that. So once you've done that, you just want to copy the link here, which is this URL for your Trello calendar, and let me just add an event here if I can. I'll just add it here, for example, a card, and let's say test. Let's call it login functionality. Start date is there, due date is, whoops, let me just do that again. Due date is the 10th at 10:55 p.m. call it test again, then add the card, and as you can see, that card has been added. Then we'll sync to personal calendar again, and then I'll go over into my Google Calendar. Once you're here, you want to go over here into this menu, and you should have other calendars over here. Then click the plus, and then from URL, and then just copy the URL or paste the URL from Trello and make the calendar publicly accessible if you want to. Then just click add calendar, and once you've done that, it should sync it. As you can see, calendar has been created. Then go back, and if I see my board right over here, this is my Trello board, and if I go down, as you can see, from the Monday the 9th to Tuesday the 10th of September, I have this card over here, which is imported from Trello, and that's basically all you have to do. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.